Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that we should scroll down to the privacy section. Then you'll see here the hide apps. Click here once, and after that enter your privacy password or draw the pattern. Here you'll see all your device applications, and just to hide them you should use only the switcher. So just to hide this application you should click here once on the switcher, but before we should set the access code here. So let's click here to the settings, and now I'll use for example the code from 1 to 4. Click here on the right upper corner. After that tap to done, and now we can see that all of these applications, for example selected these 6 apps, they are hidden. So we can find them here in this section, and one will just use the apps menu, or if you want to find them here on the home screen of your device, you can't see here them because they're hidden. So if you want to unhide them by the same way, just enter the password and here click on the switchers to unhide, and that's it. So we can see all of these applications just here in our apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.